Go ahead and try the following maths question. Try prove that the log of 3 to the base 10 is an irrational number. So essentially what we're asking is we're asking you to prove that 10 to the power of some number equal to 3. We're asking for you to prove that this some number that makes this equation true is irrational. We're asking you to prove the exponent is an irrational number. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. What we're going to do is we're going to use a technique in maths called proof by contradiction. So first we have to make an assumption. So let's assume that log of 3 to the base 10 is rational. And then we'll find a contradiction, and that contradiction will show that this cannot ever be true, and therefore it must be false. And therefore log of 3 to the base 10 is in fact irrational. Okay, so if this is true, that log of 3 to the base 10 is rational, then there must exist m and n, some numbers m and n, an element of integers such that, let's write that neatly, such that m divided by n is equal to log of 3 to the base 10. And essentially, what this means right here is that log of 3 to the base 10 is rational, because any rational number can be expressed as a fraction. Okay, so let's rework this fraction. What this is telling us is that we can now have m is equal to, and we take that n across, n times by the log of 3 to the base 10. And now we can take this n into the exponent because it's one of our log laws. So we can have m is equal to log of 3 to the power of n to the base 10. Okay, so essentially all I did was I moved that into the exponent, that n. Okay, so now solving this, we have 10 to the power of m is equal to 3 to the power of n. However, this is crucial because this is where our contradiction comes in. So you'll notice that the left-hand side is always even. It'll always generate you an even number, because even numbers multiplied by even numbers will always give you even products. So then that even product multiplied by another even number, which is 10, will once again be even. So the left-hand side will always be even, and the right-hand side will always be odd. So what I'm saying is that 3, which is an odd number, times by 3, of course it's the same number, so it's also odd, produces an odd number. And that odd number multiplied by 3 again is also going to be odd, and so on the process continues. And so our right side is always odd, and our left side is always even. And this generates a contradiction. So we can say, therefore, there's a contradiction, and we say, right-hand side is even, but left-hand side is odd. Therefore, right-hand side cannot equal to the left-hand side, because an odd number can obviously never equal to an even number. So therefore, we found a contradiction, so we know that this statement does not hold, so it must be false. So we can say that log of 3 to the base 10 is in fact an irrational number. Thanks for watching.